wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So kind of random, because like I never mentioned this in one of those like let's talk new makeup videos. Didn't know it existed until I was scrolling on Tik Tok. But I hear that there's a new setting spray that is taken over for the girls, so we're going to test that out today. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So like I said, I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw a video showing this setting spray, so I screenshot it. And then I was talking to Tasha and she told me she was in Target. So I was like, oh, you're in Target, you should see if they have that new L'Oreal setting spray. So she picked it up, and then I told her I need your thoughts on this within like 24 hours, so I know I need to go pick it up. So she was like, but actually no, I think I saw her in that time. Yeah, because we went out to dinner and I was taking her picture and I was like, oh, your makeup looks good. And that's when she was like, I used that L'Oreal setting spray, and look at my face. But I tell you, face had not, like, literally it looked like she had just put the makeup on. And I know she was saying like sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes that's a bad thing, because like if you look like you just put your makeup on, like your face is fresh 6 hours later, that's obviously a good thing. But also that like lived in look for your makeup is actually probably when your makeup looks the best. Like when your face looks like the makeup has really settled in, it's really gotten accustomed to your skin, that's usually when your skin looks the best. So like it can go either way, but like her face looked really good, so I was like, maybe that's all I need to hear. So I went ahead and I picked it up. So trying to just quickly do the last few things on my face and then test it out. When I tell y'all, going through it right now, okay? Ran out of brow pencil when I started getting ready today, so I had to do my eyebrows with eyeliner. Please. All right, it's time to take this off and set my face. Okay, our first setting spray that makes your makeup defy transfer, locks in makeup wear up to 36 hours. Okay, cool, but like who is wearing, I hope you're not wearing makeup for 36 hours. Okay. Shake well before use, okay. All right. How do you mist out? Let me see. I felt like it was a little more aggressive of a spray, but okay. Went down my nose, went down my mouth. I can taste it. It tastes like flowers. It smells like flowers too. But while my face is still a little wet, go ahead and use that Dior powder to, oh my God, set my face. Ooh, okay. Strong smell. All right, y'all, so this is how my face finished. I feel like it's a little matter than usual, but I'm okay with that this time of the year. But I feel like it's still giving like natural. Like, you know, when you see like matte makeup and you're like, I could that, I don't feel like it's giving that, but I feel like it's a little extra than I usually do. And I'm okay with that because I feel like face looks beat. Okay, so I'm going to go and see how this holds up throughout the day, and then I will come back so you can see it and I'll give you my thoughts on this settings. Okay, we are going to ignore my air fryer in the back, thank you, but it is 9:38 and this is my face. Looks like they might have done something with this setting spray, and I can kind of see what she was talking about, where it kind of still looks like how it looked when you left for the day, but I feel like my face looks like lived in. Now keep in mind, today I have put furniture together. I went to the gym. I got caught in the rain. And my face still looks like this. And it's hot. I can feel my neck getting hot. I need to put my hair up, which is why I'm trying to wrap this up before I eat. Yeah, L'Oreal, I don't know what's in this. I don't know if that means you should be worried about what's in it if it acts like this, but you know what? I'll take it because I plan on wearing makeup this summer and something got to give. So, yeah. And I think this is like $11, $10.99, so like 11 something dollars. Go ahead and get you one of these because it's I wonder if I blotted my face. I don't know where my blotting paper is, so y'all know I'm oily in my T-zone area. That's the transfer. Come on. Right there. Yeah. Now imagine this and e.l.f. together, because I use setting spray either after foundation, well, either before foundation, after foundation, or after concealer, and then of course I use the setting spray to like set everything else. So imagine those two together. You know we're gonna have to test that out. Yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it on this video. Those are my thoughts on a setting spray that I've seen kind of going around. I wouldn't say like trendy, like everyone feel like they need to get it, but I've definitely seen it going around, and I can understand why I see it going around. I'm literally just looking at the viewfinder like so those are my thoughts on it. If you were thinking of checking it out, or if you didn't know about it, now you do. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.